guys, perfect. Please help me with this one, please.
Yeah, what?
When I do this 3 times, the banging, bug, 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 and you guys will say, FBI open up!
Open up.
Yeah! Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Together, alright? 3, 2, 1, go!
FBI open up!
How old are you though?
I'm 14.
FBI open up!
14. 14.
Wait.
I like the Chucky shirt! Oh my god. Yo, you guys are taking. How old are you guys?
How old?
You guys.
I 14 and she too. 14.
You guys are 14? What do you guys eat?
What?
What do you guys eat?
We eat?
Yeah, what do you eat? Why do you look like that?
What?
14 years old in my country, they don't look like you guys. They look like this, Wait, why are you trying to skip me though?
What?
Ba't mo ko skip? Di pa nga tayo nag-uusap eh. Nag-assignment ka? Nagmo-module? Something like that?
Wala lang. Susunod na lang.
Magpapatulong din sana ako ng assignment ko. Isang tanong lang, baka alam mo. Ano dito? Pwede kunin yung Instagram.
Pero di mo pwedeng ispunin sa akin, di ka mag-uulam ng asin. Ang dami kong naipong mga baka sagutin.
Aray!
Shalala, itsuka kitto boku wa tenis.
Wait lang. Paano mo yan nagagawa? Yun o. Yung pagiging maganda.
아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 좋은 탱고 대체 뭐야
Maji.
TikTok! May TikTok ka?
Oh!
Hindi ako nagtitiktok. Actually.
Facebook.
Yeah, I have.
So, is it okay na i-public ko yung Facebook mo or medyo private siya? What do you think?
I have.
Ayos lang.
Yeah. Why not?
Wait. Anong pangalan mo? Wait lang ah. Wala. Saan yung eyeglasses ko? Paano ba saan yan? Baby.
Hanap ako ng hanap, itong iwas ng iwas. Gusto sa'yong yumakap, kaya pakitang gilas. Ba't ganyan mo pa?
Aray!
Wait. Hana.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Walaan mo.
12.
No. Hello.
16. Wait, is it higher or lower?
FBI, open up!
Shalala, itsuka kitto boku wa tenis.
What's your name?
Kira.
Kira. Alright, thank you for that. Now I know what name I'll be screaming tonight.
Please lang, wag kang umalis dyan. Niligaw kasi ako nito ni Waze, girl.
Kira. Like that.
Kanina pa ako dito paikot-ikot. Asan ka ba? Bakit ka pa kasi lumipat? Pero ilang minuto na lang ay makikita.
Maji.
What the fuck did I just do?
The problem is that I'm taken and I'm 14.
FBI, open up!
Put the animal, put the animal, put TP, and Peck, and Lumpia.
This is a dog.
Oh. Wait, what's the girl next to the dog? You know, yeah, the one that yeah. It's weird. I'm gonna go like really forward to you, but you look kind of cute. But how old are you though?
How old do you think I am?
I would assume that you're 18.
Really?
Yeah, just to be safe for me, but you can tell me the truth though.
I'm 15. How old are you? Oh, that's not good. FBI, open up! I can visit you in jail.
Can you do like a face reveal real quick? How old are you?
Yes.
Oh, you give me the honors to guess it. Okay.
Yeah.
To be safe from FBI, I'm gonna say 18.
I'm 15.
You're what?
I'm 15.
15?
Yeah, I'm turning 15 this summer.
Yo, what up?
Just chilling, bro.
What's going on with the attitude? What's up, man?
Bro, I'm just cool, you know? You don't understand.
Hey, but you look kinda cute though. How old are you?
You know what? I'm 16.
You're what?
16. 16! So, I knew it.
I want a sugar crush, I ain't gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a bath, cut my fucking brain in half. I'm not only just a bit tired of this fucking shit. Nothing that I write can make me feel good. Victim of the great machine, in love with everything I see. Neon lights surrounding me, I indulge in luxury. Everything I do is wrong, simple.
That was lit. That was awesome. Çok iyiydi.
Şaka mıydı bu?
Evet ve çok iyiydi. I love you, bro. Peace out. Hi. Are you from Indonesia?
Whoa! Whoa, girl! Oh, okay. I thought.
So you.
But I tell you, I'm not that good, okay?
Okay.
Don't say boo! Don't say that.
No, God!
Just stop!
No, God,
Just
please,
stop.
no!
Stop! No! Just stop!
Oh yeah, daddy. So I hopped on a train in the afternoon. I don't know when I'm coming back.
Psych!
It's a prank!
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring. Spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, go ham chia. What the fuck? No. No, Wait. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. I'm a YouTuber and you guys are gonna be in my video. I love you guys. Thank you. Can you try to hold my hand? Thank you. That's it. I wanna tell my friends that I've been touched by an angel.
I guess I'm falling. Yeah, you know it. 아무것도 안 해도 it's so sweet. 걱정 안